Mag. 4.9 earthquake, Molucca Sea, 71 kilometers southeast of Gorontalo, Indonesia, on Friday, September 23, 2022 at 5:50 p.m. GMT plus 8:25 minutes ago. According to the German RSARC Geoscience for Geological Survey and Second Volcano Discovery. Updated, September 23, 2022 10:05 Greenwich Mean Time 10 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, new, SEISMOGRAMS, user reports, earlier quakes here, quakes in Indonesia, Gorontalo, Central Sulawesi, North Sulawesi. Light magnitude 4.9 earthquake at 167 kilometers depth. Like, share, subscribe and press bell in our channel for more information. KHTV.